So now Dennis Laakso will tell about NetSuite SuiteApps we have developed and other supporting systems as well. So Dennis, please go ahead.
Thank you, Mira, and good morning to all. My name is Dennis Laakso, and today I will shortly tell you about SuiteApps and supporting systems that we provide at Staria. We have a dedicated team at Staria focusing on developing SuiteApps and finding the right support systems to get even more out of your NetSuite environment. We have published 8 NetSuite localizations and INFlow SuiteApp for vendor bill management. Really, our crown jewel in SuiteApp development is INFlow for inbound invoicing. And Staria INFlow automates vendor bill posting and provides an easily configurable approval for process for purchase transactions in NetSuite. With INFlow, you can automate the process in different phases, and it offers improvements to the entire process when handling incoming invoices. Firstly, we have a direct link between the invoicing operator and NetSuite that enables you to outsource the receiving of invoices in any given format. An example might be a PDF attached to an email or any given XML format. Once the invoice is available in NetSuite, we can match purchase order numbers or item receipts against the invoice. And if that's not found, we can set an alternative process in motion. As mentioned, we can then set different flows in motion utilizing the approval matrix lists that we create beforehand. This enables you to have a flow to handle the invoices before we involve approvers. Our INFlow portal, that's designed for handling pending approval transactions, does not require any additional NetSuite licenses and gives a user-friendly UI with mass approving, for example, and also one centralized view to use. The approval matrix is, of course, key to achieve a good flow for the invoice and adding the right people when it's needed. The definitions are flexible. Approver may be based on the purchase requester, a person that has been assigned a specific vendor, or it might be a role-based, just to mention a few. And here I just want to quickly show you one scenario of how it could work. So the first step might be that we get the data into the system. After that, we have matching against a PO. But if not, the PO is not found, we can then set a different path in motion. And we can, for example, enable INFlow to create the vendor and post it for you. So, as mentioned, that was really briefly about INFlow. Brings a lot of benefits, and I want to turn your attentions to our localization SuiteApps that we have. And we developed localization SuiteApps for the Baltic countries, the Nordics, as well for Poland. And with these localizations, you will have a base in NetSuite so that you can establish NetSuite in that specific country. And after that, you can do the personalization and really get live more quicker, essentially. Also, we have other supporting systems that we provide. And just to mention one is Staria Banking. With Staria Banking, you can automate material transfer from and to the bank. We can offer direct connections to a variety of banks and enable you to cut manual processing, including bank reconciliation in NetSuite. And Staria Banking is a really cybersecure solution, and it also enables you to have none or up to 2 steps of approving, and that may, of course, be according to the payment types. So, thank you on my behalf. That was briefly about our SuiteApps and supporting system offering. And if this finds you interesting and you want to discuss it more, I'm available. I can arrange a demo and so forth. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Dennis. So it was really great to hear more about the SuiteApps and other supporting systems. I know that we are a bit running out of time, so I will have one question for you.
Yeah.
What kind of credentials do you need when logging into INFlow?
Well, usually you use the info credentials or the NetSuite credentials, sorry, that you utilize on a daily basis. But if you need other individuals also into the systems, you can invite them to the INFlow portal, and then you don't need additional licenses for that one, NetSuite licenses.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.